Ka jingram palat ka bay pule haki jaka pule bari penyat daki reushmat neki private institutions wat la ka Sorkar ka juthe jingirap saki kala penlang yo menteri bari khmi ikatanat pule urakam e sangma ban penpau baka Sorkar jelahi kan sapan jingkheiñ jingdia. Haba kranchi kilat pathai kubor uni menteri Sorkar ulang baka Sorkar jela ka the jingirap saki college halor ka nongrem baka pule puthi ka dei ka bakongsan kum ka deficit pattern Nalor ki pat ki jingirap. Ulang bahaki arsna menta ka Sorkar kalamang pisa na kabenta sanspa khandai ngot kata ki bedai ki noi kai bat ki nong trai jong ki arpotli ki college hakal leng ka jella.
Look, on this fees issue, certain students or organization and the civil societies has also met me and a price, and we have asked for comparative data from all the colleges. But however, I want to tell to many of the colleges, government has helping them. So they are not purely private college. They are maximum, they are the government aided college in the deficit pattern. So, in the last 2 years, knowing of all the challenges, Meghalaya Government Education Department has sanctioned 509 plus posts of lecturer to 20 new colleges. Knowing the challenges to be faced in implementation of NEP 2020, I think like creation of 509 posts, both teaching and the non-teaching. This shows how this government, led by Sir Kyrwoh Sangma, taking this education on priority. And there are many colleges are already getting the government assistance. There are 13 college in the state, and another 20 college has getting the government added sanction post from the government side. So let's wait and see. But to me, to my personal, so I would request all the head of the institutions, the management, the maximum support, considering the various challenges of our students. If that could be considered, would be will really benefit for the students, because the purpose, the objective of existence of these institutions is to give the education to our students. As of now, for the St. Mary's College, Shillong, there are 100 number of sanctioned posts, 73 for teaching and 26 non-teaching lecturer posts. And PGT College, there are 18 number of sanctioned posts, both teaching and non-teaching. Don Bosco College, Tura, the 30 numbers. Sankasi College, Shillong, it's 18. UCC, 55. St. Anthony College, Shillong, 119 sanctioned posts from the government side. Shillong Commerce, 15. Manufacturing College, 20. And now it's become 34 because of People College. And Sankardev College, 72 numbers. Synod College, 71 numbers. The Ledikin College, 85 numbers. The St. Edmund College, 82. These are the in the deficit pattern. And the adopt pattern, Women College, 22, both teaching and non-teaching. Red 11 College, 34. Ticuricula College, 12, and now it's become 32 if I'm not wrong because of People College. And Acheng Art College, 13. Durama College, 23. Singaf College, 21, and with 24 it will become 45 now. And then in the People's College category, there are 20 numbers. So I did it.